Hey, it's Brett with Complete Trailers. Today we're taking a look at a 7x18 plus a 5-foot V-nose, all aluminum, inline, snowmobile, motorcycle, UTV trailer. For years now we've been talking about the benefits of aluminum frame trailers versus steel frame. What we don't talk a lot about is which aluminum frame manufacturer to go with. There are vast differences in this industry between manufacturers in steel frame as well as aluminum. There are even some people out there building aluminum frame trailers that shouldn't be building aluminum. Here at Complete Trailers, we focus on the highest quality products that are on the market today. We want to make sure we're providing a product that doesn't crack in the welds, doesn't break frames, and we want to provide that product to our end user, which is you, the customer. Now, this particular trailer weighs in at just over 1,900 pounds empty, and that makes it super half-ton towable going down the road. Going over a few special features on this trailer, we've got the ramp door obviously in the road side or the driver's side of the trailer. We can order a trailer and put it on the curb side or the passenger side of the trailer if you prefer. Stainless steel hardware, screwless exterior, LED lights all around. Obviously we show this in a two-tone colored trailer. We stock this in various colors as well. Now, one of the important updates to this year's model is the side door is on the driver's side. Why is that important? When you pull over on the side of the road and you want to check your gear out, instead of getting out of the driver's side and stepping across the frame to get to the passenger side, or if you're up in the mountains, to get over on the curb side, that's probably a cliff or a big snowbank. The entrance door has been moved to the driver's side to make ease of access to your gear right through the side door here. There's a lighted grab handle as well as a couple of fuel doors mounted here as well. Another important update to this year's model is we went with leaf spring axles instead of torsion axles. By going with the leaf spring, it actually raises the deck height up and gives us a little bit more clearance when you're going into some of those backcountry parking lots. On the inside of the trailer, we've got vinyl walls, vinyl ceiling. We've got Advantech flooring that wraps up as a kick plate as well. Now, the best way to load an inline trailer, we're going to put a diagram up on this video to show you, is to load from the front to the rear. This 18-foot plus a 5-foot V-nose is set up to be a long track mountain sled trailer 3-place. Now, of course, you can go 2-place by driving in through the rear and out the front, just front to back. But if you want to go 3 in here, you drive through the front, face the rear. Now, the interior height of this trailer we've raised up to give us a little bit more headroom and clearance for a UTV in case you've got one of those as well. One important feature not too many people talk about is the framing structure. We've got 16 on-center cross members, floor, roof, walls, and it's an all-tubular frame. Now, that's not something that most other manufacturers go with. It's what we call a superstructure frame. It's proprietary to the manufacturer of this particular trailer, and it makes it for a stout trailer that's going to last you for years to come. There are a couple of LED dome lights that are mounted on the wall as well. Here's a better look at what those LED lights look like when they're turned on from the inside. And last thing we'll talk about is a 4-foot aluminum overhead cabinet. It's got a top hinge, throw some of your straps or gear, helmets up here, and it's got a coat rack underneath so you can hang your coats when you're done riding.